everyone, good morning. I moved to Kerala to my husband's place around 3 months back. While he was constructing this house, he had a separate room planned for me, which I can call it my room, where I can do like as I please. When I came here, this room was empty for me to decorate it as I like it. Immediately, I didn't do anything. It's been 3 months, and the first thing I got in the room was a table because quickly I wanted a working space for my office work, and eventually one by one I got the pieces. So I don't want to clutter this room, but yes, I need an office workspace slash an art room. So that's the idea, and let's quickly start. I am still old school, guys. I like to see things on paper. So we will start a quick plan. All the things I have, where I want to put it, where my window is, my door, where I want my easel, my table. This is just the start. I might move things around. So we will see. We'll just start from here. That was my first sketchbook. I thought it's a handmade paper, so it'll be great for watercolors, but it was a big mistake. And I have learned so much from all these trial and errors over the years. So yeah, these are like memories, and I did not throw them away. Kept them with me and carried them like wherever I moved. This is one of the first acrylic paintings, very special for me. I have done it in 2020 in the impasto style. Sweaty, natural glow. It's really hot and I have not put on the fan. If I put on the fan, it would be the noise would be too much. So far I'm only done with the bookshelf. I have the easel to fix, then there is the card which I have ordered. So yeah, I want tea. for a week. Got the easel, but I didn't assemble it. Today's task is to assemble the easel on my own. Let's get started.
Open air, side by side we sway there in all the colors. Summer love, lonesome love, folded on the lawn chair in all the colors. Summer love, remember when we were getting nowhere fast, when the garden won't stop giving back honeysuckle, fresh cut grass. I could really use some stuff like that. Talk to me and tell me all that you've seen, all the colors. Summer love, memories.
I think we're getting there. And
Remember the lazy river day canoe, bathing in the turquoise blue.
so far I am done with the bookshelf and then the easel and the cart, my table. I need a carpet and then I want to some paintings on the walls. There are more landscapes.
A cure for the air conditioned blues. Could use some too. A little bit of summer
And then there's one final thing. Let me place it here. And I think we are done. Well, this is the final look. This is like nothing much but functional enough for me as a art studio and my office space. So I am really happy. Need to put more plants so that the room feels more green and warm. Thank you so much, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye. I didn't do much. My focus was not in place. I'm going out for dinner. Hopefully I'll come back with the sky part, or otherwise I'll